Have you ever looked at your nails and noticed those little vertical ridges? You might think they're just a normal part of aging, but what if they're actually trying to tell you something important about your health? Today, we're diving deep into the hidden messages your nails could be sending. From vitamin deficiencies to stress overload, we'll uncover 6 surprising reasons behind those ridges. And don't worry, we've got natural remedies to help bring your nails back to their healthiest state. Stick around because this might just change the way you see your nails and your overall well-being. Vertical nail ridges. What are they really telling you? Ever taken a close look at your nails and noticed those vertical ridges running from base to tip? Maybe you brushed them off as nothing, just a normal part of aging. But what if your nails were actually trying to tell you something important about your health? Believe it or not, your nails act like tiny health indicators, revealing clues about what's going on inside your body. Those ridges aren't just cosmetic, they could be signs of deeper issues. In today's video, we're digging into the real reasons behind vertical nail ridges, and more importantly, how you can fix them naturally. Whether it's nutrient deficiencies, stress, or even digestive problems, we'll uncover 6 surprising causes and share simple, effective ways to bring your nails and your health back to their best. Stick around. This is one video you won't want to miss. Anemia, the hidden link to nail ridges. If you've noticed deep vertical ridges on your nails, anemia could be the culprit, especially if your body is low on iron or vitamin B12. These 2 powerhouse nutrients are essential for making healthy red blood cells, which transport oxygen to the nail matrix, the part of your nail responsible for growth. Without enough oxygen, your nails can become weak, brittle, and ridged. In more severe cases, they might even develop a concave, spoon-like shape. Iron plays a major role in forming hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen in your blood, while B12 keeps your nerves and red blood cells functioning properly. When you're deficient in either, your body struggles to deliver oxygen to your nails, disrupting keratin production and leading to noticeable changes. This issue is particularly common in women, especially during menstruation or pregnancy, when iron demands increase. Vegetarians and vegans are also at higher risk since plant-based diets often lack enough B12 and easily absorbable heme iron. The good news? You can reverse these effects by adjusting your diet or adding supplements. Boosting your intake of iron-rich foods like spinach, lentils, and red meat, along with B12 sources like eggs and fortified foods, can help restore oxygen flow to your nails, bringing back their smooth, healthy look. Plant-based diet challenges, the nail health struggle. If you follow a vegan or vegetarian diet, your nails might be telling you something important. Without key nutrients like vitamin B12 and heme iron, maintaining strong, healthy nails can be a challenge. Unlike non-heme iron from plant sources, heme iron found in meat and other animal products is much easier for your body to absorb and use. That means even if you're eating plenty of iron-rich plants, your body might not be getting enough. Vitamin B12 is another big concern. It's almost exclusively found in animal-based foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy, making it tricky for plant-based eaters to get enough. Since both iron and B12 play a crucial role in oxygenating your nails and supporting keratin production, a deficiency can lead to weak, brittle, and ridged nails over time. The good news? With the right approach, you can keep your nails strong on a plant-based diet. Fortified foods, B12 supplements, and iron-rich plant sources like lentils, tofu, and spinach can help bridge the gap, keeping your nails and your body in top shape. A lack of B12 and iron doesn't just cause fatigue, it can also lead to anemia and those pesky vertical ridges on your nails. Over time, low levels of these essential nutrients disrupt the nail matrix, slowing down keratin production and making your nails weak and brittle. While plant-based eaters can get non-heme iron from foods like lentils, spinach, and fortified cereals, absorption isn't always easy. Compounds like phytates in grains and legumes can block iron uptake, making it harder for your body to use. The trick? Pairing iron-rich foods with vitamin C sources like citrus fruits or bell peppers can significantly boost absorption. When it comes to B12, there's no reliable plant-based source. Foods like seaweed and fermented products just don't cut it. That's why fortified foods and supplements are a must for vegans and vegetarians. To stay ahead of deficiencies, regular blood tests can help track your levels, ensuring your body and your nails are getting what they need. Taking a proactive approach doesn't just lead to stronger nails, it also keeps your energy levels high and supports overall health. Digestive health, the hidden key to strong nails. Your digestive system does more than process food. It determines how well your body absorbs the nutrients your nails need to stay strong and healthy. If you struggle with acid reflux, bloating, indigestion, or gut inflammation, your ability to absorb essential nutrients like iron, calcium, B12, and folate could be compromised. And when these key nutrients are lacking, your nails can become brittle and develop deep vertical ridges. One major factor is low stomach acid, which makes it harder for your body to break down food and extract vital nutrients. Inflammation in the gut, often linked to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or celiac disease, can further disrupt absorption, leaving your nails weak and fragile. The good news? You can take steps to improve your digestion and boost nutrient absorption. Drinking a little apple cider vinegar before meals can help increase stomach acid, making digestion more efficient. Adding probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi can restore a healthy gut microbiome, improving the way your body processes nutrients. For those with persistent issues, digestive enzyme supplements, especially those containing betaine HCl and bile salts, can be incredibly helpful. If digestive issues persist, don't ignore them. Consulting a healthcare professional can help identify the root cause and provide personalized solutions to keep your digestion and your nails in top shape. Thyroid dysfunction, how it affects your nails. Your thyroid is a key player in your body's metabolism, influencing everything from energy levels to nail growth. When the thyroid is underactive or hypothyroidism, it can disrupt these processes, leading to slow nail growth, brittleness, and the development of deep vertical ridges. One major way hypothyroidism affects nails is by interfering with the absorption of essential nutrients like iron and vitamin B12. This can lead to anemia, which worsens nail issues. Hypothyroidism also reduces circulation, depriving the nail matrix of the oxygen and nutrients it needs to produce healthy keratin. Along with nail changes, common signs of thyroid dysfunction include fatigue, weight gain, dry skin, hair thinning, and cold sensitivity. Recognizing these symptoms early on can help you address thyroid issues before they worsen. If you think thyroid problems might be the cause, a blood test measuring TSH, T3, and T4 levels can provide crucial information. Managing thyroid health often involves a combination of medication, dietary adjustments, and supplements, including foods rich in iodine, selenium, and zinc like seafood, nuts, and whole grains, can support thyroid function and improve your nail health. Chronic stress, the hidden saboteur of your nails. When stress becomes a constant in your life, it can have a major impact on your health, and your nails are no exception. Prolonged stress causes the release of cortisol, a hormone that's vital for the body's fight-or-flight response. But when cortisol levels stay elevated for too long, it can lead to a number of issues, including weakened nails. High cortisol depletes essential nutrients like biotin, vitamin B7, which is crucial for the production of strong, healthy nails. It also puts strain on the nervous system, which can reduce the oxygen and nutrients flowing to the nail matrix, the part of your nails that creates keratin. When this happens, keratin production slows, leading to brittle nails and noticeable vertical ridges. Chronic stress can also encourage nail biting or picking, behaviors that physically damage the nail bed and make the problem worse. And the effects don't stop there. Stress can mess with digestion and nutrient absorption too. Elevated cortisol levels can interfere with stomach acid production, leading to poor nutrient absorption, which further compounds the damage to your nails. The good news is that stress is something you can manage. Practicing mindful meditation, yoga, and getting regular exercise can all help lower cortisol levels. Adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha and rhodiola may also help regulate your body's stress response. Creating a balanced lifestyle that includes time for rest, good nutrition, and emotional well-being is crucial for reversing the effects of stress on your nails and your overall health. Before starting any new supplements, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medication. Remember, your nails aren't just for show. They can reveal a lot about your overall health. By understanding what causes those vertical ridges and taking action, you can strengthen your nails and improve your overall well-being. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more ways to improve your nail health and discover other health tips, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Check out our channel for more wellness videos just a click away. Your journey to better health starts right here. See you next time.